And viewers, at least 113 people have died and over 255 have been injured after concrete slabs collapsed at a nightclub in Dominican Republic. Rescue and clearing operations are underway. Here's a full report.
At least 113 people have died and over 255 people have been injured. After concrete slabs collapsed on the dance floor, crushing hundreds of attendees during a concert event. The rescue and clearing operations are underway to evacuate the potential survivors. The victims include merengue icon Ruby Perez, who had been singing to the crowd before the disaster struck.
Se han hecho 146 traslados, 44 fallecidos como datos preliminares tenemos hasta el momento. Seguimos trabajando con todas las instituciones que forman parte del Centro de Operaciones de Emergencia.
At the scene, firefighters removed the blocks of broken concrete and sawed the planks of wood to use them as planks to lift heavy debris as the noise of drills breaking through concrete filled the air. The rescue crews from Puerto Rico and Israel have arrived in Santo Domingo to help the local authorities in the search and rescue operations.
Realmente no tenemos información que estaba ahí con sus compañeros de trabajo, aún no aparece ninguno del grupo.
¿No lo ha visto en los listados de allí de la carpa?
No,
¿No ha visto?
no ha salido en los listados. Tenemos fe que ella aparezca.
Ok, pero sí supo que estuvo aquí en la fiesta y...
Sí, claro.
Y desde entonces no ha tenido más contacto.
Esa era su ropa de anoche.
¿Cuál es su nombre?
Jeffrey Montaz Valera.
Notably, the operations have intensified and final death toll is yet to be declared by the Dominican Republic authorities.
And thousands of Greeks have taken to the streets in Athens, protesting against rising living costs and demanding higher wages. As inflation continues to surge, the country grapples with the aftermath of an economic crisis. Here's more on the nationwide strikes and demonstrations that have brought public services to a standstill.
Thousands of Greeks gathered in Athens on Wednesday to demand higher wage to cope with rising living costs amid worsening inflation. In two separate demonstrations, protesters marched peacefully in a strike that lasted over 24 hours in the heart of Athens. According to reports, the strikes were convened by two separate unions. Reeling under an economic crisis that lasted close to a decade, wages in Greece were cut to compensate for bailouts worth 290 billion euros, triggering the ongoing protests.
Παλεύουμε για αυξήσεις στους μισθούς, γιατί καμία αύξηση που έχει ανακοινωθεί αυτή τη στιγμή δεν καλύπτει τις δικές μας ανάγκες, εξανεμίζεται από την ακρίβεια, με αποτέλεσμα να κόβουμε από παντού για να μπορέσουμε να επιβιώσουμε.
While the Greek economy has been outpacing other Eurozone nations in the terms of growth, many households still struggle to make ends meet amid fast rising food, power and housing costs.
Απαιτούμε να δοθούν αυξήσεις σε όλους τους μισθούς που δεν φτάνουν ούτε μέχρι τις 20 του μήνα. Απαιτούμε να πάρθουν μέτρα άμεσα για την υγεία, για την παιδεία, για όλα τα ζητήματα όπου η ζωή των εργαζομένων χειροτερεύουν την ώρα από τα κέρδη των μεγάλων μονοπωλίων συνεχώς αυγατίζουν.
However, the one-day protest led to the disruption of several public services as ferries remained docked at ports, flights grounded and trains at a standstill. As unions call for increase of salaries and bonuses, analysts warn that turmoil triggered by US tariff could lead to further hardship.